Okay, all right. So let's go to the scratch. So today we are going to do something new. We will make use of video sensing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, from here, right, you have more things. Go over here and select video sensing. Say allow. And then you can delete this cat.
Where was that?
Yeah, Krivish. So on the bottom right, correct, you have more sprites over here. You have to go there and then click on video sensing.
I still didn't get it. Oh, yeah, okay.
Please come again.
I got it.
Okay. All right. We can proceed now. Sagarika, you there?
Yeah.
Okay. What we are going to do now. We're going to create a very simple game where there would be balloons, and as soon as our hand is going to touch balloon, then balloon costume will change, and then we are going to increase the score also.
Okay.
With me so far?
Yeah.
Okay. So very first thing that, let's wait if someone, Angad, you are able to follow?
Yes, sir. I can see.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's drag and drop this particular block first, or even before that. Let's drag it back. Let's go and choose a sprite over here, balloon. Just search for balloon. Okay, very good. Okay, now we have a sprite by name balloon. Everyone has that sprite on their machine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, is it a blue balloon?
Yes, blue balloon, Angad.
Ooh, we got it right. What is the background?
Background is not needed as of now. Okay, we'll just have a sprite. Okay.
Yes.
Then we will say very first thing, just drag and drop this particular one, turn video on. Okay, and click on that. Anything happening on your screen or no?
Sir.
Nothing on anyone else screen?
Wait, I have to see. Sir, where did you get video sensing?
So on the bottom left, we have more options, right? Over here on the bottom left.
Yeah.
From there, you will go and select video sensing.
From my blog.
Correct, so yeah.
Okay. Nothing is happening, sir.
Come again.
Nothing is happening.
Which one?
Nothing is happening with video
Okay,
turn
all
on.
right, not a problem. Okay, so far we have done this. Yes, no? Everyone has added?
Yes.
Okay. Then make this one block over here. Just drag and drop this block.
Over here?
Yes. And put a green flag on the top.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. Okay.
So
Now
it's not coming for me.
What is not coming?
Video sensing.
Okay, just share your screen then. Devija, you have to stop sharing.
Sir, is it an ad extension?
Yes,
It's
it is
in
an ad
just
extension. Yes.
or my blog?
So if you can
Not
share
in
your
my
screen, I
blog.
can have a look at it.
Yeah, I found it. Sir, I found it.
Okay.
Okay, so can I share my screen again?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go full screen.
Okay. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. I just have to take one block. Yes.
Okay, let's go full screen and click on the green button. Anything happens? Is
No.
there anything happening for anyone?
No, nothing happens, sir.
For no one, right? Sagarika, for you, anyone?
No, sir.
Then let's do one thing. Let's
No.
all close the video of Zoom first. So I have closed mine.
Okay. Like
Divish?
that, sir?
And now
I
test it
used
again.
mine.
And now test it again. Just click on the green button again. Should have worked. For no one else, it is working over.
No. No, sir. No, not working.
Just give me 1 second.
Nothing is happening.
Do one thing. Let's go back. Divija, click on that symbol. Let's go back to the code. Turn video on. Set. Okay. Click over here again.
Okay.
Let's click over here.
Did you guys
got a message that accept the video signal? Anything like that?
No. No.
No one got it. Okay, let's try this
No.
again. Just close this browser and let's try it again.
How? Okay, so this one reload.
No, just load the Scratch again. Let's close everything. Yeah. If you can just close this browser tab.
Done.
Okay. Close this again. Close this one also.
Yeah.
And now again start
Sir, how do we reload?
So we just close everything and start again.
Okay. So I again didn't got the message.
Just 1 second, Krivish. Let it work for her. Okay, now close this.
Yeah.
Okay, now remove the cat.
Yeah. Yes.
Then add the video sensing. Okay.
How can we make it? How can we?
Now it is working, right?
Yeah, I
Okay.
have.
All right, I can see you. That means it is working. Can everyone do that?
Oh yes, I can see myself.
Very good. So that's good. How about you, Sagarika?
Sir, it's still opening for me. But yeah, I'm not able to open the Zoom video.
Hi, sir.
Sir,
Hello,
can you
Karan.
see mine?
Can you tell me what are we doing?
I think I know what's the problem.
Okay.
Your own
Headphone.
your photo from the Zoom one came in
Okay.
the background.
All right, Anga, thank you. So let's do everything. Let's everyone.
Sir.
Let's everyone quiet. Make sure your Zoom video is off.
Yeah.
Then all you have to do, open a new Scratch window. Open a new Scratch window. I think for Devija, for you, it is working fine. Don't do it.
Yes. Sir, should we put the balloon? Can you see mine? I have a problem.
Okay. Devija, you have to stop sharing.
Yes. Sir, till then, can I add the balloon?
Yes, please add balloon.
Excuse me, sir. Can I share my screen next?
Let Krivish do it, and then you can do it, Angad.
I can't go. I can't do this away. I just want the video one. I don't want this. How can I make it go away?
That is coming by default. You cannot make it away. Okay.
No, I took it from down here.
But that's okay. We cannot let it go as such. Okay. So it is okay if it is coming also.
Working.
I'll come to your screen next one sec. For you, Krivish, it is all good now. Okay.
Will we do the code now?
No, just let's wait. Okay. So for you, you are able to see
Sir.
yourself. It is good. Okay. Now wait.
Hello, sir. Can you explain me what are we doing?
Yes. So let
I
me
entered
explain to one
late.
more person and then I'll come to you. Okay.
To
Sagar.
whom me?
Yeah, Anga, show me what you have done.
I haven't done anything. I want to try that same thing which they tried. I can't wait to try it.
Okay, then we'll do it later, Angad. You can just watch this. We will see the recording later. Okay, so let
Sir,
Sagarika, yeah, let's go ahead.
Yeah, nothing's coming for me.
Yeah, I understood. It is coming to me. Yeah,
Okay.
the camera is will show me.
because maybe your camera.
Okay, now close everything, Sagarika. Let's close everything.
Go in this reload.
Where?
Okay, if
Beside
you
the
can
right
close
arrow.
this browser and start again.
It is beside the right arrow.
Close this browser and start again.
Reload this page.
No,
Yes,
so there is a close button, right?
Yeah.
On the top right, there's a close button. Let's click on that and close everything and start again. Yeah.
You stop
Sir,
sharing.
it automatically stopped sharing.
Yes, so again you have to share it, right?
Yeah, 1 second. I'll open
Yeah,
Google
it's
and
working
then I'll
for
share
me.
it.
Sir, can I show mine?
Let her problem get resolved, otherwise she won't be able to continue. I'll come to you, Karan.
Sagarika, is she going to share?
Yes, we're just waiting for her to share.
Yeah, it came. I'll share my screen.
Why are you clapping so much, Krivish?
What's happening? Okay.
Sir, I think first you have to choose that camera one, and then you can choose the balloon one.
Okay.
Sir, when I open the new one, I can't see my camera again. Or do we have to do all again?
We have to. No, we should not do it again.
Because when I open the new one, I can't see my camera.
Okay, wait. Let her first solve her problem.
Sir,
Yes. So not able to see.
Sir, can
We need that balloon.
Sir, can you just remove the balloon once? And now go to that. No, I don't know.
Okay.
sir, still.
You can again. You first you can open a new window.
Okay.
And then you can again start it first.
So can I start? Can I do sharing?
Wait. Let her problem be done, right? Everyone will get chance. Meanwhile, you can go and have a coffee. Okay.
So I can see my video.
Very good, Krivish.
When you do the code, you can see it again.
Sure.
And the balloon thing.
Sir, now it's not even coming even if I search in Google.
What I feel is could be because network bandwidth is slow. Can you just watch what we are doing? Okay. Once your internet
Okay.
connection is stable. Okay.
Sir, can I
Okay.
show mine?
Yeah, Karan, go ahead, please. Very good. Okay. You are all good now. Okay. Now let's go back to Divija.
If we
Okay,
start
Divi.
our video, is it going to go?
What is that, Krivish?
If we start.
No, don't start your video because your video is only for one
Yeah, we
application.
cannot start video, fail to start video camera
Okay.
because another it's using in the settings.
Okay. Now let's proceed. Okay. We can proceed. Who is dancing with the balloon? Don't dance with balloon. Okay. All
Sir,
right.
So,
still
but
it's
what are
not
we going to
coming.
do with this?
You will see, Karan, right? Okay. Now what we are going to do, just drag and drop the first one, turn video on, then drag and drop, set the transparency. Okay. Then drag and drop the green one.
Yeah.
Done. Everyone done?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Then what we will do, we will make this balloon glide somewhere at random position. Okay.
Yeah.
How we will do that? We'll go to motion.
Divija,
Random position.
Can you put your code a bit on the left side? Yeah. See. No, on the left side.
Left.
The back one. Okay. Yeah, there. Thank you.
Okay. Now let's go to motion. And put glide.
Which one?
Slide which one? There are so many.
Yeah. So select this one. Glide 1 second.
Big.
Do not attach it. Do not attach it. Put it somewhere. Okay.
Yeah.
Then put a forever loop.
So control and then for.
Then put a green symbol on top of it.
Okay. This.
Yes. Now let's go full screen and view what is happening.
Hmm.
Okay, play it. So balloon is flying, right?
Yeah.
No, it's not flying.
It's not flying. For Krivish, it's flying or not?
Yes, it is very slow.
No, it's not.
Only 9 minutes are left.
Yeah, just join the meeting again, okay? All
Yeah.
right.
See,
Sir, how
on the same ID.
Yeah,
how
same
it's
ID.
flying?
Okay,
How do
so
you do
let's go
that?
back to the code again, Divija.
Yeah.
Just show the code that you have written.
Sir, this.
Random position. Yeah.
We are everyone with me?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
Random position.
Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to have some fun. Okay. Suppose if Divija is going to move her hand under the balloon, then balloon should go up. Can you move your hand?
Yes, but it isn't working.
Yeah, so we'll do coding for that, right? Okay.
I can't take my balloon up or anywhere.
Because you do not code for it. We will code for it now. Now we'll start the coding for it. Okay.
Yeah.
With me, everyone?
Yeah.
So that what we will do, we will first find out if something is doing over here, right? So Divija hand, correct? So we have to find out the if block first. Let's go to control and
Yeah.
drag and drop if.
Yes.
Yeah, drag and drop
For the
if.
balloon.
Yes.
This one?
Yeah, just keep it somewhere out. Yeah, somewhere below that. Yeah, okay. Over here in that if condition, we are going to check whether Divija hand is under this sprite or not. With me? Yes, no, yes, no.
Yes.
Okay. Then go to operators.
Where is that?
Over here, operators. Very good. Okay. And then drag and drop. Wait. Drag and drop this particular block over here.
Over here?
Yes. And make this as 10. Instead of 50, make it as 10.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
let's wait for everyone to be over here, okay?
But we didn't use anything as hand.
We will do it. I will do it slowly.
Done.
Everyone has done this part?
Yes.
I'm just waiting. Krivish?
Yes.
Okay. Then go to video sensing and drag and drop this block over here.
Okay. I'm not able to do it.
Just put it over there. See it is happening or not.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we have to do, if Divija's hand is under this sprite, then this should go up. So now go to motion. No, over here motion.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Say change Y by 10. This is the one. Change Y. No, this is X.
Oh, sorry.
Change Y by 10. Now put this in a forever loop.
So
Just put it inside this, right? Change Y by 10 should be inside this. Put this entire thing in a forever loop.
okay. Forever and yeah.
And then put a green flag on top of it.
Okay.
And now let's wait for everyone to be on this particular.
Done.
Everyone done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now Divija, go full screen
Yes.
and play it and put your hand under that balloon. Going up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just give it a slap as such. Give it a slap. Okay. For everyone it is working.
Yes.
Wait, not a slab. I have to.
So if you guys have seen some video games, right? Where people do gestures and based on the gestures, you can move the objects.
Mine isn't working.
Why, Krivish? Why it is not working?
It's just going random position. It isn't going.
Okay.
With
Have you done everything? Show me your screen.
Yes. Let me stop. Just going in random position.
First, show me your code. Have you done the right code?
Yeah.
Stop it.
A little bit down, I think. One second. Yeah, it's fine, I think. Yeah.
When this is click, if video motion sprite is greater than 10, change. Can you go full screen again?
Yes. One second.
Okay, just move your hand very fast underneath. Move it fast. Play it and move it fast. First play it. You're not playing it. And move. Yes, it's happening, right? Move your hand. It is happening, correct?
But it isn't going with my hand.
It's going with your hand only. See, as soon as your hand move, it also moves.
Going away from your hand.
Yes, it is happening.
Not like
I think it's going better than me.
Yes.
Meeting code भेजा है.
Okay.
Oh, if I do right, it goes right. If I do
You
left,
have to do it under that particular sprite. Okay. So you have to place your hand under that sprite and move it. So you are trying to put your balloon up because you say change Y, right? So let that balloon come and then you have to move it. Okay.
go up, go up, go up. Okay.
All right. So now let's go back to Divija's.
Yeah. Sure.
Now we will make it more interesting. Sagarika, you with us?
She's on mute. She's on mute.
Okay. All right. Now let's go and make some more changes to the code. It is fun today. Okay. Then what we do, as soon as we have changed Y by 10, we will change the costume of this particular balloon. So go to looks
Yeah.
and say next costume.
Over here.
Just below that, yes. And now again, see what difference it has made. Play your game again.
See.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
Whenever I am touching my hand, it's changing. It's
Yes.
changing the color.
Now let's make it better. We will add a sound also.
Yeah.
Or maybe a dance.
Dance. Okay. All right.
Dance.
So what we'll do, go to
the
sound.
song.
Yeah.
Go to sounds
The song, I mean.
and say change sound pop. Okay. The play sound, the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So make it next costume and then say play sound and see it makes sound or not. And you have to enable the sound from your machine, right?
Yeah.
We can't hear it.
Yeah. It.
Yes. Very nice. Okay, very good. You've done very nicely. How about you, Karan?
So
I'm getting it.
I think now you will be able to hear me.